All right, everybody, we have made it to the final project for your outside reading project. Final assignment, I should say, and we're going to be working on the central idea or text analysis essay. The best part about this essay is it only has to be about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Okay, so not a long one, it's pretty simple. So starting off, let's define a central idea. You should know from your prior knowledge that a central idea is a lesson in the story. Okay, the lesson the author wants you to learn. Okay, what I'm going to do is in number 2 is I'm going to show you how to turn a theme into a central idea. So the first thing you're going to do after you define central idea is you're going to choose one of the themes, okay, that you tracked in your novel and copy and paste it into the space to the right. So let's say you have a theme here. Sorry, wrong thing. You have a theme of friendship, okay, from your theme worksheet from the other day. It's not loading. Of course, the Chromebook is slow. Sorry about that. So let's say the theme was loyalty, and now you would copy and paste loyalty right here, okay? The question you need to ask now is, what does the author believe about this theme? Now, we're not going to watch the video here, but if you click this link, there is a video here that gives a good demonstration about how the author or how you can go from writing, starting at an author belief statement and then turning that into a central idea. Okay, so what does the author believe about loyalty? Okay, that's what you have to turn this into. So let's say our theme was loyalty. There's a lot of talk about loyalty. Well, now the next question is, what does the author want us to believe about loyalty? So you're going to delete this line here and you're going to come up with this idea that the author believes that loyalty is, and I'm just making this up, the most important factor between two people. Okay, and let's just leave it at that. The author believes that loyalty is the most important factor between two people, no matter what the circumstance. Okay, so there's your author, not matter, but no matter. There's your author believe statement. Okay, that's the first part here of number 2. The last part is now you're going to copy and paste your statement. Okay, so Control C, Control V. That's number 1, copy and paste your statement. Next, delete the author believes. Okay. Well, really, it should say the author believes. All right, now in this case, it's that also. You don't want to leave it at that. So I'm going to delete the author believes that. And now I have loyalty. And now when I read this, it says loyalty is the most important factor between two people, no matter what the circumstance. Circumstance is. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Okay, and the more you read things to yourself, the better you are at editing it. Okay, so now I actually have a central idea. A central idea should not say the author believes. A central idea should be what comes after that. So my new central idea is loyalty is the most important factor between two people, no matter what the circumstance is. Okay, or you could say, you know what I like better than circumstances, no matter what the circumstances are. Okay, now we actually have a central idea. So now I'm going to go back to my other document. I'm going to look at the evidence for my loyalty theme. Okay, and I'm going to apply a writing strategy. I'm going to analyze the evidence. Okay, now we're on to number 3. We're here. Okay, this is the box we're in. I'm going to analyze the evidence and determine which writing strategy you can use to apply that applies to the evidence you already have. You can also scan back in the text the parts that you recall about your theme. So let's say the 3 pieces of evidence you have there are all different kinds of writing strategies. You might have to go back in the text and find other examples of your central idea and use those once they fit a writing strategy. But as always, there's easy writing strategies like characterization, conflict, diction, which is words. Okay, those are the easiest ones that you can always use. Okay, so figure out which writing strategy works for your evidence. Okay, write the writing strategy here. And then the last part is you will write a text analysis response, which again is 2 to 3 paragraphs, and all of the information you need to write that is here. Okay, so remember, in a text analysis response, you need to identify a central idea, You need to explain how the author uses a writing strategy to develop that central idea. And you need to explain how each piece of evidence of the writing strategy connects to the central idea. You have my graphic organizer on the right, the poster on the window over there, for sentence starters for text analysis. Remember, you always need claim, reason, evidence analysis. Okay, you can use those anchor charts on the wall to help you out. If you have any questions, you could ask me, but certain ones I won't answer because this is technically your assessment. Okay, 2 to 3 paragraphs, just like a reading. Write the best you can, and good luck.